Pinax TV suni ebusian fanchi akese ma ahwefo ene Ghana fo nyina sabri amene wo kase as part of the trending issues anase nsemo a ekoso wo Ghana hanum say no efa ye mra hye bedwani okay frimpon ohene Kwame Frimpon sabri amene wo kase de aba betoja se Netherlands monten so na sabri de yache no na ensem we ekoso no na chese amanfo busa se eba ne sen how did this unfold any idea and a lot of questions were being thrown out ebi bisa se sebe mrashebedwani amanyoko ben no odom is it the MPP is it the NDC because ne nim say or ye NDC MPP ni sorry na chese okogina independent in 2024 abano emu na owini ya wachemu se ne de wakwakodom the majority in parliament which is the NDC intina manfo hwe kwan say the NDC ebeba be kasa de afa dia ekoso no ehu eno na mene wo kasa the majority chief whip de ma the parliament metre yera Roxanne Nelson eche Kwame Dafiomekpo or the ababeto ja se womo anya private lawyer de ama abranti anasel mrashebedwani okay Frimpon wo amanoni so on your screens or say a private lawyer has been procured for him in the person of Joe Apia and he has told us the MP hasn't been harmed and he's doing very well. Enti na chese which ntremu a efri the majority chief whip our sign MP for South Deyi wodi aba beto dwane say de majority no wo mo hwe de o betimi bia enti wo mapɛ private lawyer de ama okay Frimpon wo baby a ya che no meche say ne yo extraditing from Netherlands to the US omo say omo ebetimi ape asemna no pomasibre no mahu se de ensem no ko ne nyina mu no na chese omo chiremu a he's okay he's safe ne ho nto chema bibi boni bi anto no everything is okay with him omo hu ne say say no omonya lawyer no they can proceed with the case na afi omo timi akohu ba bia asem no ombetimi de akwakodrum now woni kasaye mu no na yera Dafiomekpo wode aba betudwa de nam supporting the see baby na okay Frimpon okopporting same way nyina by san say tete say na he was in the company of Ashanti regional minister Mr. Frank Amwakohene no ono nso wo hobi any ade how everything unfolded no me no ka say the majority chief whip yera Nelson Dafiomekpo waba be cheche nsem nimu a kwanye fa so a okay Frimpon ohene Kwame Frimpon American say authorities Netherlands authorities for ensa etimi eso ni mu ye ba kotie na manebo na ye ba ya to ansem no eso.
The honorable member was not traveling to the US on Delta Airlines on Friday. That is most inaccurate. He was on a private visit to the United Kingdom. He has a family, his children and wife live in the UK. They are in London. So as the chief whip, I can confirm that he does frequent there. But on this occasion, he was on another private visit to the UK. He was flying on a KLM flight. So naturally, the transit will be through Schiphol in Amsterdam. So it was in Amsterdam that he was stopped, questioned briefly, and detained. And this happened Sunday morning because they left Accra on a KLM flight Saturday evening. Normally the KLM flights, they leave here Saturday, or they leave here in the evenings. So on Saturday he was on the KLM flight that transited and got to Schiphol around 5 in the morning. So through the transit processes, I think by 6:37, he was stopped questioned and has been detained since. We have interacted with him. He himself doesn't know. But the snippets of information we got from the security operatives who detained him was that there is a warrant that has been issued by the United States of America for his arrest. And so we've tried to get details of the basis for the issuance of the warrant. We still haven't received anything formal from the security operatives. There is a prosecutor in the matter based in The Hague. So, as a step, we have also decided to get a lawyer to represent him. So there's a Ghanaian who is a Dutch-trained lawyer who is based in The Hague. So he's the one we have detailed in consultation with the Ghana's ambassador to The Hague to handle the matter.
Abusia, that is a year the majority chief whip Yera Nelson Dafia Makbo and Aiti and Sema wade etu janache se chema a year Yera Ohene Kwame Frimpom Rashibejani Sebe na or da Santi Achim North about one peswa ano na oko a year mechanic government duties and an hour call na chese Netherlands a year authorities no ebeche no ewo plane ni mo muche muse omo arrest warrant free the US for no eho na womo ede ekoche no ewo plane no emu nanso okasa ko edu animu no na otie ne nsem a wode etudwa na chese yera ohene Frimpong na nkasa kra no na onim se yeba beche no but usha nsem fufuro mu nso a on your screen so say the FBI has since not communicated officially to us yet on his offense, but his lawyer said the warrant was issued on the 26th of April. And so muchema said the Ghana any US sebe ya yankofa netie no enke wo se ne papa mu no US aban ne etimide fa eyemra shebedwafo no akache ansana arrest ne kra akoso knowing perfectly well say he is a parliamentarian. Now, so Yera Dafia majority chief whip na. Nensemo Kenyina Nukusi said they didn't even know. Obia and Farm and the Bobia and Brelmo, they didn't tell them anything. Now, according to OK Frimpong, the lawyers ne dear. Omu chema, omo edredren semni muni de koba and say what arrest warrant no there US for womu issues our warrant no on the 26th of April. And na omu issue warrant nti na chese otimu se na omu monitor ohene Kwame Frimpong na montuo ni ade and ase omo the warrant na akokoko and so okopie mu on Netherlands na and na omo nso very smart and then omo kwache no ewo plane no eso but then majority chief whip akasa ochem say they have no official details from the FBI and I say US abayin penim for her crapo with regards to what is happening, but for the meantime ne de said the wakano no omo pe lawyers de ama OK Frimpong a omo hwe se omo betimi edi nsem no echi but he's safe wherever he is. Na mene okasei the special aid to Yera OK Frimpong ohene Kwame Frimpong Rashibejani as abrede ya cheno a kwadu a de bono allegedly tete no say he has been involved in some money laundering and can say romance scam in sense ye na nim say romance scam any money laundering same way it is happening. People are being extradited from Ghana to US. Any idea the recent one de brobro ye ho na abutre kade ye nim say we are over with it ebenya breathing space kakra ene say mrashebedwani de ababebom na ye bekwa kotie nsem a the special aid to ohene Kwame Frimpong honorable wode atudwa na yeba ya toa nsem no eso
nenne so minim honorable da etwato a wo ne kasa ye pa hu say honorable wo fie honorable yenche no da ben
yo menya medamu nyina mo ase amencha wati oye adom efemfo nyina ne ba bi o fidie ku nyina odaroma eda honorable Christ o tukwana ya memeneda nti sada no de ne na na constituency ansana o Christ o tukwan
eti after memenda no wasan tenenka bio.
Oh yes, enu akura me yete nenka.
Mo tenenka mo ne kasa wo phone so anase obi neto mo nkra.
Debi ene ni din komo. you know I say honorable ne ne ka say and right yet nka
na say ahoma so asem na wo kan phone so
yes
no so we no so we
oh Netherlands maybe a issue no happen in a no
eti na say enkra ba say ye detain no ye no kre o say ye detain no e wo honomo
oh yes see idea say on say Parliament issue statement ya Parliament nye biaya umubitumi abo muslimu aka asemo a inim na ye na no ko na yente nka until say Parliament the issue then say or issue statement say CCI na FBI applique ye ma she be dwane no eno nti my answer ye follow up on me say ye no kre eno nti CCI dey obi enim eda wiase nyina ne Ghana ma mu nyina say ye ma she be dwane no ni Ghana ha ne mum or Netherlands.
Abusia, that is the special aid to a Honorable Ohene Kwame Frimpong. Rashebedweni de Emma Asante Achim North Abato Empeswa Eso. One also ababe confirm it. Mu say no kre na womokra ene ye Ohene Frimpong atwetwen komo ama no e de atudwa se owo Netherlands se aye kase na womo detain no under mechanic said the authority and I said the arrest warrant from the United States FBI for no ehonom enti no sabe de no krem na as to dapotia obabe piemu e Ghana hanom de na wo mu entimi enche but so mo ne na kasa o phone so no bibia edi adanse se ne hoye na he's in safe hands also even though he has been detained and his freedom has been curtailed no bibia chese ne ho eye na enumu no na chese enti e ba ne se ukopiemu ewa Asante Achim North meka say constituency ni so a wa winim ne constituency no ebinom atete because ensem no aflyer do akire ebinom atete omu chemu say omo de omo entimi nyintumu da say omo no ahye bedwani no charges are yede bono alleged romance scam money laundering ni ade bi ko atwire ma the tough scammers ni ade e wo kroduem hanum say no bebre na sika efa ono ni account mu e bi ko atwire mu allegedly no enu nti enotimi win elections no easily esan say omo ehu say he's part of them oboa omo eni ade enti no omo hwemu a na chese ewo se omo eto abande man enu nti no wi ne these are some of the rumors koso ewo mountain eso ebisu twema the fact that after the 2024 general elections honorable Ohene Kwame Frimpong wini elections ono ankasa etu nenum tuo se elections na we win ne de wode ne ho akwakodom the majority in parliament NDC sabi omo kwa onemu bi recently krache yekoche no na he was in the company of some MPs make to me akase the Ashanti regional chairman regional minister no can be no cry they were because amount for tagging too much with regards to these issues. There were other people no munyina ka ho asa asem way esi enti prempren de said the majority chief whip e de atodwa no omanya lawyer de amana omo hwe baby a ensem no ebekọ akwakodro update bi ebepie mu aba concerning honorable Ohene Kwame Frimpong ne detainment no ye de ebebre ahwefo now yemfiri nsem way eso na yenkopie mu ewo nsem